Hey, it's Ari here. If you are watching this video, it probably means you are doing a bit of research on this new software called Connect Automate. So what is Connect Automate? Essentially, it is a new tool that allows you to pretty much automate your Facebook advertising. So this is specifically for if you have a Facebook fan page of some sort and you're looking to grow your audience on social media. This is a great tool that allows you to pretty much identify your best performing posts, and it pretty much turns them into ads on automation. So you could pretty much specify um, the criteria on what your post should have in terms of the results, the likes, the comments, the amount of shares, whatever it is. But to give you a general idea, a visual overview of how this all works out, I'm going to start off by going into the dashboard here. So I'll click that, and it breaks it down into 4 steps. So boost conditions is what we're at right now. Oops, I'm going to scroll down here. So you select the Facebook fan page you want to use, and then the post type. You click this, and it gives you a few different types of posts that you could choose from. I'm going to go with a video post here. And the number of posts to promote at once, if you're just starting out, I'd probably recommend doing maybe 2 or 3 at most. I'm going to go with 2 here. And then you could filter the amount of either likes, click-through rate, shares, reactions, pretty much a whole bunch of stuff that you can go with, the amount of reach that a specific post has gotten, or organic, paid, whichever it is you want to go with. I'm going to go with likes rate. And then greater than, we'll say, let's see, 1%. No, I don't want it percent. Is there a way to change the percent? Thought there was, but so you could do 1% here. And I'll be honest, this is a Facebook fan page that I honestly haven't really posted to in a while. So I'm going to have to go with lifetime here. Now, if you had a fan page where you haven't that is inactive, I wouldn't recommend using this with that, because the whole idea with this is that you want to be posting content on a regular basis. But this is just to pretty much give a demonstration on how this all works out. So I'm going to go and check this video real quick. This is one of the videos that I did on my Facebook fan page. So if I check that out, okay, this was just a video that I shared here, and it had 1 like on it. And what's this other video I did? 3 biggest reasons why network marketers fails, or why they fail. This is about this fan page was pretty much about network marketing and giving tips on network marketing. But you could go through those conditions, and then once you are comfortable with what you have picked, you can continue. And the next step here would be campaign settings. So ad accounts, once again, it's on my name. And then campaign name, you could either use a existing post, or you could use a brand new post that will be for the ad. So I could just go with this post here if I want to. And I could, that's the one I'll go with. You could specify how long you want it to run for. If you are just boosting the post, you may consider running it for 2 to 3 days. New ad set. This is specifically for if you were to run multiple ads to the same audience, with different criteria. One, you may be using one particular image. The other, you may be using like a video of some sort. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that blank for now. And then budget, you could choose to do like $5 a day, or whatever it is you feel comfortable with. Target audience, you could choose your audience. So create a new saved audience. And I'm going to go and pick one of the ones that I had saved. So attraction marketing. And then optimization goal, recommended goal is link clicks. So link clicks is what I will stick with. And they also have a few videos here that will pretty much walk you through, and kind of explain each particular thing here. So if you're ever unsure about something, you could always watch, one of the videos that they have here. But I'm going to go ahead and continue onwards. You have some errors in the form. Oh, I see. I probably have to fill this out. So 1 there is what I will do. Okay. And then rule name, you would, of course, give it a rule. So this would be like if it has a specific number of likes you are going for. That's what I will kind of go with. Let's see. Let's do if it gets up to 5 likes. And this could pretty much just be how you see it. When you have all of your new post rules, listed on there. You have like a list of like each one that you have specified, each specific target that you want to hit. This will pretty much be how you identify which one is which. You can give this a name. And then, of course, you also have the option to turn on email alerts. And then once you are finished, you would basically just hit submit. And then the whole idea from there is that you just want to create content on a regular basis. And then as you continue to create content, if a certain post meets up to that specific criteria and you got one that is doing well, then, better than your other posts, it will then automatically turn that into a Facebook ad. So that is essentially how that works there. But I want to go back, actually, and show, let me see here, if I go back. So if I go back into the dashboard, there was something else. Oh, wait a minute, I think it's out here, actually. So there's also an option, another part of this here called connect retarget that you could do. And then this determines, your best running ads. And then it could, of course, because the thing is that when you are promoting a specific offer to, an audience or something like that, typically they don't buy right away. Oftentimes it will take more than one exposure to a specific offer for them to actually decide to buy, because people, they buy from those that they know, like, and trust. And if you are, showing up on a consistent basis and you are providing value on a consistent basis, then they will trust you much more. So that is what retargeting is really great for, is that when they start to see you more often and they see that you are putting lots of value out there, they will then be much more likely to actually buy from you. So that's what that is great for. So that's something that another part of this that you may consider getting that I don't have yet, but one of the other thing that I want to show here is actually that if you are just getting started with this, they have a learning center, and this pretty much gives you step-by-step tutorials for how to use Connect Automate. So right here we have the Connect formula, and this pretty much just shows, like, if I give this a chance to load up here, it's pretty much step-by-step videos on the whole process of how to build your Facebook fan page, how to post content, how to get content ideas is one of the videos in here. They talk about creating content and then your campaign. They've also got a case study here. And then if you wanted to like outsource content, you could also learn about that in this second step here. But let's see if I go to home. And then they also talk about how to create Facebook ads that convert. So this is also great if you wanted to learn more about Facebook ads and you wanted, something that is step by step that will show you the different types of ads you could run and how to set them up effectively. This is definitely something that you could really learn a lot from. So it talks all about, video ads, editing videos, recording videos, image ads. They've got stuff on WhatsApp. creating your ads, whole bunch of stuff you could really dive into here. And it's great for even, if you're a beginner. They talk about, like the elements of an ad. So if you have not, had any experience with Facebook ads, that would be a great place to start. But this is what I recommend you go through when you first pick this up, is that you just, go through the information and, you learn as much as you can. And then once you feel you are ready, you build up that Facebook fan page, you post content on a consistent basis, and then you could use this to pretty much automate your Facebook post. The ones that perform the best, you could turn into an ad. You could have them go into a specific type of ad, and then you could target your audience, and then they will be, as you continue to do that and you provide value on a consistent basis, your audience will they will trust you much more. But that is pretty much what Connect Automate is all about. I hope you got value from this video. If you are interested in picking this up and you feel like this could really benefit you and your business, I will have a link down in the description where you could pick this up, so definitely be sure to check that out there. Otherwise, let me know what you thought of this video in the comments, and take care.